What's up, Bay fam? Thanks for tuning into another compilation video made by myself, Mr. Bay Area Transparency. Be sure to give it a like, a subscribe, and a share, guys. You are getting me out there. I really appreciate you guys. The subscriber count's coming up. The views are coming up. And I couldn't do it without you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'm not going to hold you guys too long on this one. Let's get to the compilation. Enjoy.
You need to turn it off.
Oh, it's not posted out front, so I was just...
right here.
Where's that?
I'm telling you right now.
Oh, I'm just trying to check it out. I mean, I have no problem. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't touch me. Don't, hey, back up. Don't touch me.
Look.
Nice. Good. I don't need your directives. Go ahead, get back to work. You're dismissed. I ain't gonna lie, she was pretty hot. Well, I guess that's where the probation department is, right here. That seemed like... Oh, what was that?
Can I help you?
No, I'm good. Thanks, appreciate it.
What are you doing?
Well, huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, well, I'm recording.
What for?
Oh, that's a lot of questions, man. I ain't answering that many.
Oh, that's kind of weird to do here.
What was that?
What's your name? You're here for a reason.
What was your name? Okay, no name. Yeah.
Actually, get back.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Do you need something though, or are you good?
I don't need any help. No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm awesome.
Okay.
It says no filming. You need to step outside. if
Where?
you're gonna
I'm just
film.
trying to check it out. Where? I just want
Turn
to
off
see
the
it.
camera. I'll explain to you outside.
I'll happily go outside if we can't film, but is there a law or something?
Yes, there
What's the
is.
law?
It's court rule 14.
You need to back up. I'm not being detained. I will happily walk out, but back up away from me now.
Okay, go ahead. Step
Fucking
outside.
6 feet, dude. What's wrong with
Please
you?
step outside with
What's
the
wrong
camera.
with you? 6
Nothing's
feet.
wrong with
I will
it.
happily come outside.
All right.
Don't be touching me, trying to grab my
I'm
camera.
not grabbing you.
You know what? What's your name and badge number? There, I'm outside. I can record right here. What's your name and badge number? Oh, here's an officer coming in. Go ahead and ignore him.
Sir, you need to back up to the sidewalk, please.
I don't need your directives.
I'm not giving you directives. I'm telling you,
That's
to be out on the sidewalk.
why.
It's not public property. Out on the sidewalk for me, please.
This is all public. There's a park right here.
This is not.
I'm actually on the park's property,
You're not. This is
Oh.
part of the police department, the fire department property.
which is funded by who?
It doesn't matter. It's not. You need to be out on the sidewalk for me. Thanks.
The gate would be out there. No, not yet. Buckle and bounce, buddy. You're dismissed. Get back to work. Fucking guys. There's no sign anywhere that says you can't come here. Yep.
Hi. How may I help you?
What was that?
I said, how may I help you?
Oh, you can't. You can't.
Oh,
Appreciate it. Do you have a name and
beg your pardon?
do you have a name?
Why do you want my name, sir?
Well, because you work for the public, right? I'm just trying to figure out who I'm talking to. I think it's your guys' policy. If public citizen asks you to identify yourself, you supposed
No,
to do
not
it, right?
necessarily, sir.
No?
I'll bring somebody out to so you can talk to.
I'm good. I don't need to talk to anybody.
Okay, so why are you here?
Because I am.
Oh, okay.
What's the problem?
What was that?
What's the problem?
What's your problem?
Can we help you with something?
You tell me. You'd be like the fifth person that asked me that. I said the same thing.
I don't know nothing about the first 4 people that asked you, but I'm just trying to, if you need some help, I'm offering some help. What is it?
What's your name?
What do you need, sir?
Let's make this easy. What's your name? Let's start with that.
I'm Deputy Hendricks.
There you go. Now we're doing something. Public servants identify themselves when the public asks, right? So that's step 1. Before you ask me what I need, you identify yourself, right? Yes? You can shake your head. Look at that face, guys. That's the face of love right there. He loves me. Just say you love me. Actually, can you keep your hands out of your pockets for me?
Come on, man. Let's go.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Andre the Giant, probation officer, tries to come out and intimidate. Pump in no fear, baby. Buckle and bounce. About it and stuff. Guys violating anybody's rights tonight?
No.
Come on, man. You guys violate people's rights every night. He's lying. Yeah, you do. Checking for a driver's license is violating people's rights. No. Very aware of the cases. No court disagrees. But I think I've already checked Fairfield so much that they know better than to even try to say anything to me. Oh, here comes one of them. We'll see. No.
Don't hang out in the middle, because we've already had one officer run over.
I don't need your directives, bud. Thank you.
Don't hang out in the middle.
Take
okay?
off. Take off. Go back to work. You're dismissed. I'll hang out wherever I want. Back and forth, in the middle, left, right, upside down, 360s. I haven't been in the way of anybody. Do pedestrians have the right of way? Let me ask you a question. It depends if pedestrians have the right of way.
So if you're in the roadway, then you don't have the right of way.
Pedestrians don't have the right of way. What's your name and badge number?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. It's your policy to tell me your name and badge number. See, this is a piece of trash cop right here, guys. That's what I call them. Straight pieces of shit. They love me out here, guys. He said pedestrians don't have the right of way and for me not to be in the middle. Like I said, I'll walk wherever the fuck I want to walk. Fucking clowns. And there's nothing you can do. That's the part they hate. They hate when you're trying to do something and there's nothing they can do about it. Absolutely nothing you can do about it. We need to get name and badge numbers for all you guys.
You guys have court? Yep, court. No? Okay. You guys here for court? Yeah, come on in. Yeah, come on in, guys.
Hey, let me get name and badge numbers for all you
We already
guys.
provided it.
You didn't provide it to me.
Okay.
I don't know.
Deputy
I'm not
U
with
is
these people.
2231.
What was it?
Right,
Deputy-
2368?
And you is 2231. What's your name?
2392.
Huh?
What's your name?
My name's Master. Call me
Master?
Master. Yes.
Okay, that's polite.
Thank you. Love it.
Okay.
All right, guys. Hey, post this up. I don't see it. I just looked. I just looked.
How about the First Amendment?
We got car 230. Shining a light in my face like a fucking little kid. It's kind of childish, huh?
What, you standing there with the phone like that?
No, you shining a light in the phone.
You're trying to light at me, man. It's nighttime. I'm trying to keep
This is a little ass light. This doesn't hurt your face. You got a big ass LED light.
Why don't you keep walking?
Cause I'm not gonna keep walking. I'm gonna stand here and talk to you. How about that?
Go for it, man.
All right. Well, you should take your fucking light out my phone. Let me just do my job, right? You don't like citizens watching you?
No, I don't mind it, but I got a white spotlight for a reason.
You got a white spotlight, so this is kind of like unbecoming of a police officer, right?
All right, guys.
I guarantee this is against your policy. I know that. So that's an easy complaint that'll stick with internal affairs. You won't be the first one I do it to. Probably won't be the last either. We got off car 230. We got some clown officer who wants to shine his light in my fucking face.
Hi, sir. Can I help you with anything?
What was that?
Hi, can I help you with anything?
Not right now, no. Can I help you?
Oh, no, I'm the chief probation officer, and I understood there was some concern at her, so I just wanted to come follow up with you and see if you needed help.
I don't understand the concern.
Okay.
So,
Because you were on probation's floor, so I just wanted to come out and see if you had any business on the floor with us today.
Well, I'm on a public floor, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, this is probation suite, so.
Yeah, but it's public.
Sure. But,
Yeah,
so you didn't
so-
need any help with anything?
I said it to like 5 people. I don't know why you guys are even out here.
Well, just because, our lobbies are closed to the public, so
It's
somebody's
not.
out here.
It's not close to the public.
Our lobby is closed to the public.
Well, the doors are closed, and I'm not behind those doors, right?
Sure, so I just want to come out and see if you need
So,
any help with
what was your name?
I'm Issa Ema Kraus. I'm the chief probation officer.
Okay.
Yeah, so
You
just
see
wanted
in
to
a
check and
Kraus?
see if you need
Okay.
help with anything.
No, you're dismissed, just like the last 5 of your other probation officers. You guys can feel free to return to work.
Okay. Can I ask if you needed anything with probation today? Sir, did you need anything with probation today? Sir, is there a reason why you're at probation today? I would assume that's a no then. All right.
Oh boy, it's a sharp one right there, guys.
All right, have a good night.
Somebody might have get that light out of my eyes.
Get that
Fucking
phone out of my
idiot.
eyes. Have a
Fuck
good
you.
night, all right?
Fuck you. Fucking idiot.
All right, sir. Have a good night,
Yeah,
okay?
get the light. What's the need for that? What's
I
your
just wanna
What's your
see what
name
I'm
and
looking
badge
at.
number?
My
what-
badge number is 1525. My first name is Michael. Last name is Aaron Belonga. All right, be safe out
Yeah,
here.
get the light out of my eye.
Be safe, okay?
Yeah, you too.
All right,
Don't
have a
flash
good
the
night.
light in people's eye, you fucking idiot.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too.
What's that?
Bounce. Said don't flash the light in people's
Oh,
eyes.
I'm not.
You
It's just
fucking
a.
retard.
We're just making sure everything's good to go.
And give me 6 feet.
All right.
Is your body cam on?
Yeah.
All right, good.
It's on.
And you act like that on camera? You fucking idiot.
Have a good night, sir.
What an idiot. Huh. You just made your fucking department look like shit.
Have a good night.
Fuck you. You're dismissed. Get out of here. Can shine the light right in my eyes, guys. You see that shit?
Have a good night.
Look at doing it again because he's a fucking child. Straight piece of shit cop. Piece of shit. We need guys like that off the street, guys.
Still recording. I see myself.
Yeah, because you guys are gonna violate me, dude.
We're not gonna do this thing. You're blocking the door. Come on, back up. Back
Now
up.
it's touching me.
This
Now it's
is-
touching me. Now it's touching me.
I am touching you. Okay, it's a lawful touching. Thank you very much.
It's a lawful touch.
Thank you. It is lawful touching.
I don't think you know the difference between law and lawful.
Okay, this is not gonna go well for anybody here at all, even me. I don't want to do this.
So
Okay.
stop being a tyrant and follow your oath.
Especially
The Constitution. Do you understand?
Especially you guys.
I mean, but what you need to understand, and you're not listening to me
No,
because you
you
know the
need to-
laws, right? Yeah, let me tell you something real quick. You're not in charge here, right? Okay, there's no law broken, so you're not in charge, right? So you have no authority. So I have authority over you, so just pay attention, right? We have to be able to get public information from the Juvenile Justice Center, right? There's public records. If there's a public accessible
would-
area,
you
we
would
should be
like-
allowed to record. Hold on, I'm talking.
would like
We
to
should be
talk-
allowed to record in the public area
Yeah, you can take
in
that
there,
up. You
right?
can take that up with,
So-
with the judge.
Well, I just want to see the judge's order. Is this
With the
is this a
sergeant.
courthouse?
But you're not. Are
Is
you
this
still
a
filming right
courthouse? Is this a courthouse?
here? Yes, sir, I'm trying to be as nice as I can with you. Are you
Well,
still filming?
You can't do anything but be nice. You have to.
need-
Is your
you
body
need-
cam on, by the way?
You need to stop.
Body
Oh, thanks
cam's
for
not on,
reminding me.
guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, keep the body cam on, please.
You need to stop videoing.
No, I don't.
telling you.
I am out in public now. I can video anything I want. There's nothing you can do about it.
All right, correction. I should say. My mistake. Correction. The video that's on there of the inside needs to be deleted. That's what I meant to say.
Do you have the law, the policy? Where's it at? Show it to me.